Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can register your domain name on Namecheap and set up DNS to any hosting that you're going to host your site with. So it's pretty straightforward. First, you head to namecheap.com. And once you're here, search for the domain name that you're going to register. And once you find your domain name and that is available, you hit add to cart. Checkout. Once you're in this page, you can choose the number of years that you want to register your domain for, and then you can click on confirm order. If you don't have an account already, you can create one. And then it should bring you to the billing page and you can enter your payment details and then hit continue. Once you're in this page, you can click pay now. Once your purchase is set, it should take you to you should see this option of manage. You can hit manage. So once you're in this page, you can scroll down to the name server section, and here you see we have a drop down here. When you click on this, you can see there is a custom DNS. So we can click on this and you can add your name servers for your hosting wherever you're hosting your site. For example, if you're hosting with Bluehost, you just need to search for Bluehost name server, or you should be able to see Bluehost name server on your control panel. Once you know what your name servers are, you can copy your name server and paste it here. We have two name servers here, so we take both of them and paste it here. And once you're done with this, you can click on the save button here, and it should work right away, or you can wait for 24 to 48 hours for it to take effect. That's it guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below.